Welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and essential topic for the agricultural and food industry: sugar beet harvesting and sugar processing. Sugar beet is an important crop that plays a crucial role in sugar production. We'll start by discussing the stages of harvesting this amazing plant, from the optimal time for harvest to the modern technologies used to maximize yield and efficiency. After the beet is harvested, the process of transforming it into sugar begins. We'll detail each step of this process, from washing and cutting the beet to extracting the sweet juice, purifying it, and crystallizing the sugar. If you enjoy this kind of content and want to learn more about agriculture and the modern technologies that make it possible, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Enjoy. Preparing sugar beet for planting involves several essential steps to ensure a successful harvest. First, it is very important to select high-quality seeds. The seeds must be certified and come from reliable sources, and in some cases they can be treated with fungicides or insecticides to protect them from diseases and pests in the early stages of growth. Soil preparation is also crucial. It starts with conducting a soil analysis to determine nutrient levels and pH. The ideal soil for sugar beet is well drained and has a pH between 6 and 7. Deep plowing of the soil improves its structure and allows the roots to develop properly. Based on the soil analysis results, the necessary fertilizers are applied, ensuring an adequate supply of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for the growth of sugar beet. The soil should then be well tilled and leveled to allow good seed-to-soil contact and uniform plant emergence. After the sugar beet seeds are planted, there is a period of care and growth. As the plants grow, it is important to monitor their health, apply additional fertilizers if necessary, and ensure they receive enough water, especially during dry periods. When the time for harvesting comes, in late autumn, the sugar beet is ready to be harvested. Harvesting the sugar beet is done with the help of specialized machinery called beet harvesters. These machines are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to extract the beet from the soil efficiently and quickly. Beet harvesters are equipped with blades that cut the beet leaves and devices that lift the roots from the ground. These machines can process large areas of land in a relatively short time, making the harvesting process much more efficient than manual methods. Once the beet is harvested, it is transported to the processing plant, where its transformation into sugar begins. At the factory, the beet is first washed to remove dirt and impurities. Then it is cut into thin strips, known as cossettes, which are subjected to a diffusion process to extract the sugar from the plant cells. The resulting juice is purified and subjected to an evaporation process to concentrate the sugar. Finally, the sugar is crystallized and dried, ready to be packaged and distributed. It is fascinating how modern technology has transformed a process that once required a lot of manual labor into a much more efficient and productive one. This entire chain, from planting to processing, is a perfect example of how modern agriculture combines tradition with innovation. The process of transforming sugar beet into sugar in the factory involves several key steps. First, the sugar beet is washed to remove dirt and impurities. After washing, the beet is cut into thin strips called cossettes to increase the surface area for sugar extraction. These cossettes are then treated with hot water in a diffuser to extract the sugar, resulting in raw beet juice. This raw juice undergoes filtration and chemical treatments to remove impurities and clarify it. Next, the clarified juice is heated in an evaporator to remove most of the water, creating a thick syrup. The syrup is then cooled and agitated to form sugar crystals. The crystals are separated from the molasses using centrifugal force. The raw sugar is then dried to remove any remaining moisture. Finally, the dried sugar is sieved to ensure uniform granulation, and then packaged for distribution and sale. This entire process combines modern technology with traditional methods to produce high-quality sugar. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.